Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel we try to solve bank related issues and issues related to POS. Right, so let's get to the topic of today's video. Alright, so before you start explaining today's topic, tell them what you want them to do for you before you start. Hello guys, draw closer. Alright, so this is what I want you to do before we get started. Alright, so in case you are watching my video for the first time and you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so this is going to encourage us to make more videos. So guys, it's not going to cost you anything. You see the subscribe button there, just click on it, subscribe, and that is it. I believe you have now subscribed. Alright, and also remember to like this video. When you like this video, YouTube algorithm is directly going to push out the video to those that are interested in seeing this kind of video. So like and also subscribe. Thank you so much guys. And lastly, for those that are asking if you want to get a Moniepoint POS through me, yes, you can get a POS directly through me. And also we have some products we are selling on this channel, the Moniepoint t-shirts, the face cap, and other facilities that can enhance you representing the company. All right, so and also you can join our community. You can see it somewhere, just click join and subscribe to our monthly community. All right, thank you so much for this guys, thank you so much. I believe now you've subscribed, you've liked the video, and you can check out our product down the description. All right, thank you. So let's get to the topic of today's. Alright guys, so let's get started. Okay, so on today's video, today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step processes on what you should do and how you can secure a loan directly from Moniepoint Bank. Alright, this is very important. Moniepoint has been doing it, and you can get as high as getting 90 million naira, okay, and without collateral, without
no vexel. I don't know why they're happy. I don't know why they're happy like this. You are a fool. I know, sir.
Without collateral, you can secure a loan directly from Moniepoint. Okay, so I'll be breaking this the processes into step. All right. So the first thing you should ensure is that you must have an existing account with Moniepoint Bank. All right. So if you don't have an account with Moniepoint, there is no way you can get access to Moniepoint loan. All right. This is very simple. This is very basic. You should know this. So the first thing you should understand is that you must have an account with Moniepoint. All right. So you can go online, click the link below this video, or you can chat me up to get an account with Moniepoint. All right, that's the first step. You must first be banking with Moniepoint. Okay, so the second thing you should consider is you should consider getting a POS for your business. All right,
bros, I want to withdraw 1,000.
Remember that this loan is available to business owners only for now. All right, the loan is available to business owners only. So if you are not getting a POS, it's almost like you don't have an existing business you want to use the loan for. All right, so it's advisable you secure a POS for your business. All right, so it's advisable you secure a POS for your business, and you should also know that the transaction volume on that POS is going to now determine how much you can get. All right, but then you should get a POS for your business. All right, that's the second point. The first point is that you must have an existing account with Moniepoint. If you don't have an account, open account now with Moniepoint. All right, the second thing you want to consider is that you must have a POS attached to your account. All right, so to get a POS, you can message me through the phone number displaying on the screen, or you can also click the link below this video and you will get to chat me up and I will process a POS for you. Okay, and the third thing you have to consider is that you have to consider the volume of transaction you are processing on your POS. The volume of transaction you are processing on your POS. Okay, so this may not necessarily determine if you get or not, but then this is specifically going to determine how much you can get. I hope that point is very, very clear. The volume of transaction you are transacting in a week, in a month, may not directly determine if you will get or not, though it's the first step that determines, but it still goes further to determine how much you can get directly. All right, for instance, if you are transacting 500,000 daily on your POS and someone else is transacting 2 million naira daily on their POS, both of you will get access to the loan, but different amounts.
The house I was talking about. Okay. When you pay now, by tomorrow, it will be ready.
I hope this is very clear. I'll repeat it again. The volume of your transaction at first determines if you get a loan, but then the volume of your transaction still determines how much you can get from Moniepoint. Okay, so after getting a POS, make sure that you are performing most of your transaction through your POS. All right, this is very, very important because Moniepoint is basically the only that I even know currently that is willing to give you a loan without any collateral. So you must be able to channel all your business transaction into the POS. Make sure you are receiving payment directly on the POS, because why? You are trying to pull the volume of the transaction. You are showing them that you are worth this loan. Even if your business is big, you have a big business, you are transacting 100 million a day, but those transactions are not reading on the terminal. You are not getting any loan from Moniepoint. All right, they are more interested in their banking, your banking with them, all right, rather than business itself. So your banking with them is going to create a relationship so that both parties can now partner together, where you have the Moniepoint giving you the loan and you taking the loan for your business. So that means no matter how large your business is, you must also consider using the account to receive payment. This has been a lot of disadvantage to a lot of persons, and they have been wondering, why is it that somebody that has a smaller business is getting maybe 50 million, but I have a bigger business more than the person, and the company is only willing to give me 2 million. It's because the company is less concerned about the size of your business and more concerned about the size that is affecting your POS account, all right, your Moniepoint account. So if your transactions are not going through your Moniepoint account, it is not counting. All right, this is very, very important. It is not counting for the system. So make sure you channel all, if possible, most of your transaction should be going through your Moniepoint account. Why? Because you want to show them that my business can handle this kind of amount. So you want to pass most transaction into the Moniepoint account. All right. So another thing you have to understand is that the loan is capped at 10% per annum. All right, the loan is capped at 10% per annum. So this makes the interest rate very, very less and percent per annum. What that means is that 10% in 1 year. All right, so very, very small interest rate, something you necessarily don't even have to bother about if you can get the privilege of securing the loan. So if you follow this step-by-step process, stay tuned to the end of this video. I think the fourth process is the most important, of which you must pay attention to. All right, so, and you don't want to miss out on that. And make sure you like this video. When you like this video, like I've said earlier, YouTube algorithm is directly going to push out this video to those that are interested in seeing this video. So another way you can also assist people is by liking this video. You help them to see this video, and also you encourage us to make more video. This video is not sponsored, so it is coming from a free delivery. It is not sponsored. Okay, so the video is not sponsored. So like this video and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, guys, please, we want to reach up to 10,000 subscribers, so help us to get to 10,000 subscribers, guys. We can do this. Just if you have been enjoying our videos, if our videos have been helping you, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So another thing you want to consider is that you want to consider your physical location. Okay. I will explain what that means. Even if you have large volume of transaction, you are transacting, and you have the capital, you have the business model, you have everything you think you should have. You have the Moniepoint account, you have the POS, but then your physical location is not well fixed. All right, it's looking like something that you can leave the next day and wrap up. All right, so the company is also going to consider this. They want to make sure, because they will visit your location. That's something you should keep. They will visit your location and assess your location. So you want to make sure that your business is well presentable physically, in as much as you're transacting huge volume, but then you want to invest in your business. It should be presentable. It should not be a shop that looks like you can decide not to open the next day because you don't have much investment in it, because you really don't have a lot in it. So you guys understand what I'm saying? I know you understand what I'm saying. For instance, you take a kiosk that maybe when you get there, you assess all the stuffs in the kiosk. It's not even worth up to 100,000, and the person is transacting. Let me even say the person is transacting 1 million a day. Okay, I'm giving you a very important quote. You must know this, guys. And the person is transacting 1 million a day, and what is in your shop is not even worth 100,000, and you want to get a loan of maybe 10 million. Now, there's no way they will give you 10 million loan when what is worth in your shop is not up to 100,000. So you must make sure that you invest in your shop, in your business. You must make them trust your business. I'm not saying you should fake it or get another location. No, you will still be catched by that. There are a lot of facilities that are considered. So the best thing is to invest in your business, make it trustworthy, make the company trust your business. When they get there, they should assess your business and, okay, this business is what physically is what the materials we can see is what 50 million. Okay, this person is what giving this amount. So if your business is not what it physically, and even if the volume of a transaction is large, you will still not be considered for that loan. So you must also consider that as you are transacting, guys. This is very important. All right, very important. And the fifth one I'll be going to is the various amounts you can get. All right, so currently now it is plateau at 90 million. Okay, that means you can get as high as 90 million naira. Okay, as high as 90 million naira. I think the minimum is around 500,000 or 1 million, if I'm getting the figures right, but at max it's 90 million. So if you are doing well, if you check, if you make sure you implement the first 4 steps I've given you, the first 4 steps, remember them. You must have an account with Moniepoint, existing account. You can either create online by yourself, of which you need to do level 2, level 3, level 4 verification. Your next of kin to move to level 2, then you are getting verification to move to level 3 and the rest. Okay, so you must attach a POS to your account. That's number 2. Number 3 is that you must make sure that the volumes of transaction are moving into your POS. All right, that means all the business transaction, if possible, all are going directly into your Moniepoint account so that it can be reading for you. It can be reading for you. Then you must make the business physically worth it. You must invest in your business. You must invest in the physical structure of your business. You must have what it takes for the company to trust you to be able to give you that kind of amount, guys. All right, and like I said earlier, as high as 90 million and minimum is around 500,000. Okay, so another thing you have to consider is that how long does it take to get approved? If you follow all these steps, guys, it takes approval even less than 3 days, 3 or less days. All right, so in 1 to 3 days you can be approved for this if you can checkmate most of if possible all the steps I've listed. So you can be approved in 3 days and you get access to your loan. The company does not want to deny you this loan. The company is interested in giving you this loan for your business, to empower your business. So in less than 3 days you can get access to this loan and start moving up. And let me say this lastly before I go. This is very important. Listen to this and take it, and don't forget what I'm about to say. If after meeting all these processes you are still not eligible to get a loan, please contact your PRM, your aggregator, to ask why. so that they can still enlighten you. Probably there's something that is wrong somewhere that I did not mention, so they will enlighten you, and from there you can get to work on it if there is need to work on it, and you can get to enjoy your loan from Moniepoint. Please, if this video has helped you, like this video, number one. Number two, make sure you subscribe to this video. And also, we have products we are selling on this YouTube channel. We have our t-shirt, Moniepoint t-shirt, we have our Moniepoint face cap, we have a lot of products we are selling, so please check the link below. And also make sure you join our community of POS owners, where we share information concerning POS. We get to interview people that are doing very well in POS. There is a lot you have to enjoy on this channel. Make sure you always stay tuned. Make sure you always engage with this channel so that you will not miss out on anything. And for those that would love to join our community by subscribing to our monthly plan, please also do that to encourage us. We need it. We need your money. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers and God bless.